And here we have the Homedics SoundSpa multifunction projection nature soothing sounds alarm clock radio. The Homedics SoundSpa multifunction clock radio is a 3-in-1 delight for your night table. You can project a soothing blue light that will show the time on your wall or ceiling. You can wake or fall asleep to 8 beautiful nature soothing sounds, or use the digitally tuned FM radio. The FM radio is not an easy item to find in a projection alarm clock. Swivel and focus function for projection display, programmable sleep timer for nature soothing sounds and FM radio. Timer can be set for 15, 30, 45, or 60 minutes, and then will automatically shut off. FM radio.
Good, I could have another, but I probably should not. I got somebody at home, and if I stay, I might not leave. No, honey, I'm good. I could have another, but I probably should not. I gotta bet you would do.
Nature soothing sounds include rain, ocean, brook, white noise, thunderstorm, rainforest, fan, and campfire. Snooze function, dimmer control for clock display, electric operation includes AC adapter and a battery backup, battery included. Three alarm settings: radio, nature sound, and beep, ascending alarm. Quality by Homedics.